Developments tonight following a 7 Action News investigation.
Michigan Supreme Court Justice Hathaway says she's hanging it up after she was accused of mortgage fraud.
7 Action News investigator Ross Jones broke the story that so many others have now followed, including the FBI. Ross, what a fall from power.
Sure was, Carolyn. Hathaway's 22-year career on the bench is coming to an abrupt end. She officially put in her 2 weeks' notice today. The words truth and justice are engraved outside Michigan's Supreme Court. Plagued by questions over whether she told the truth, Justice Diane Hathaway announced today she'll turn in her gavel. She announced that she'll retire 2 weeks from today as she fights a multi-front war. In November, the U.S. attorney accused Hathaway of mortgage fraud, saying she hid an almost $750,000 Florida home by putting it in her stepdaughter's name while she cried poor to her bank. She switched the home back into her name after the bank agreed to forgive $600,000 in mortgage debt. Late today, the Judicial Tenure Commission moved to suspend Hathaway while they launched their own proceedings against her. By agreeing to retire today, Hathaway puts that JTC complaint to rest.
This is a step toward perhaps resolving it all and putting it all behind her, while at least making some effort to preserve her good name.
And this evening, Attorney General Bill Schuette released a statement calling today's news unprecedented. He said he expects Governor Rick Snyder will quickly appoint Hathaway's successor. So with her retirement, Hathaway has put that JTC complaint to rest, but she still has to worry about the ongoing civil complaint by the feds, who are temporarily suspending that forfeiture procedure on her Florida home. Criminal charges are still possible, say legal experts. As for Hathaway, she's not saying anything tonight. A call to her cell phone, Carolyn, was not returned.